motion graphics artists, and video editors across the globe. Welcome. Imagine taking an edit that normally eats up 60 minutes and cutting it down to just 15. No stress, no complications. Just drag, drop, adjust, and export. Today I'm going to show you exactly how AEJuice's massive asset libraries make that magic happen inside After Effects. We are creating this full animation in under 30 minutes. And guess what? Not a single keyframe. Yep, zero keyframes, all powered by AEJuice's incredible tools, transitions, effects, and presets. Enough talking, let's dive in and start creating. In After Effects, I will open AEJuice Pack Manager panel. Here, you are going to find every single pack in your account. Incredible number of assets for everything you could ever create. For this specific tutorial, I will search for Cyber, and here you can find Cyberpunk HUD and HUD 2 and Glitch Pack as well. Here I have already added the 3 libraries I'm going to use, well organized and ready to go. I will create a new composition, name it Text, 3D render to Classic since it's much lighter, settings as shown, nothing too fancy. Now I will start importing the assets I need, starting with text animation. I want one to be written like a typewriter, like all of the options are very well done in fact. I will choose this one, click it, and hit import. It will start downloading and importing into my comp, and here it is. Now to import some secondary elements. Here in line elements, I will pick this one and hit import. I will pick another one now from the same collection, this one. Now moving to background elements. I want something electric and calm, just to add that coding atmosphere. Move to the HUD first collection, and this will do. This as well, and this just in case. Now in Glitches Back, amazing stuff, honestly. I will add this one and a glitch noise one. This one is good. Close AEJuice Manager now and move to the composition. Hide everything and focus on the text for now. Now dive inside. Edit it to whatever you want. Very easy. Change font if you want. And start typing. Move it to the middle of the composition. Yep, working good. Everything is perfectly updated with a start and end animation. Now, my method of working to make everything always smooth and gain as much control in the process is to make a pre-render to each element and background, transparent if possible, and then make the final composite with ease. I find it a very convenient approach and very light on any machine. And to start, I will get rid of any glow effect, unshy layers, and start disabling any glow effect. Here's the first one. Yet, there seemed to be another glow effect inside. Check main text, and yes, here it is. Now solo only the text, and move to main composition. Check the start and end, just in case, and add to render queue. Since I want it to be transparent, I will choose QuickTime, RGB and Alpha, hit render. Cool. Now solo the strokes and render with the same settings. Move to the last piece and render. Done with the text now. Move to the next element. I will disable any glow and render. Next one, disable glow and render. Now for background elements. Since there's no way to render those lines solo, I will only change colors. Background to black, lines to white. And render. It's not QuickTime for this one, since it's not alpha. Next background is the same. Black and white version, and that's it. Same method for every background. And if changing colors is not possible, it's okay. Just render it on black screen. Now for the real fun. I will create a new composition. Same normal settings. Then I will make a folder to organize the assets I've rendered. And import all. We'll start by adding solid. Dark purple will do. Drag the first text footage, then the second stroke one, then the last lens-like one. Scale them down to the center of the composition. Now for coloring. Either fill effect or gradient only. Main text with fill, then blending mode to overlay. Duplicate layer with deep glow. Deep glow is much better for this style. Duplicate again. Now for this lens glowing over the text, fill, then deep glow. Change color to orange. And yep, that's it. Now the strokes layer. White fill, overlay, then deep glow. Duplicate. Scale it up. This is the control I was talking about. More pre-rendered versions means more options to play with. Move to background solid, 4 colors gradient. Change colors to whatever you like. Change and tweak any settings. It's all controllable now. We'll add the next element. Scale and move. Move in timeline for better timing. Gradient ramp. Change colors to bright orange. And deep glow now to make it pop. Tweak some settings. Next element. Align it right with the text position, scale, and timing as well to make more sense. Always experiment with colors and blending modes. Play with any element, duplicate any element to make more variants and make a really great details. Now, background. Drag this horizontal one. To make it transparent, I will add color range effect. Select the black color. Increase fuzziness to the max. Now same steps. fill, overlay, opacity. Play with background colors to choose the new background element. So much details till now, yet everything is running so smooth, and that's the magic of this approach. Now I will import an external hand animations to make a better story. Color range to make them transparent. Increase fuzziness when needed. Make the main hand a pre-comp to make some coloring tricks. Drag this map. Rotate 180 degrees. Enable track matte to make it always inside the hand. Color range to make the matte transparent. And as always, experiment with colors for the main hand and the outlines. Deep glow is so intense here. I will use normal glow. Move to center. Play with blending modes and duplicate when needed. Same compositing and timing. Same compositing tricks over and over to get the proper look. Now to make the final glitch closing scene, we'll drag this first, make it transparent, drag this now, make it transparent as well. Now those lines and this final footage. Now it's only compositing and timing tricks. Same previous steps over and over. Nothing too fancy. Fill or gradient, blending mode, deep glow to make everything consistent and look perfect together. A black solid to close everything. And that's it. Not a single keyframe. Very light and easy, and most importantly, very unique results. Black Friday deal. I want it all bundle lifetime. 50 packs and thousands of assets. One-time purchase for 149 link plus 10% off with coupon SUNNY10. Speed up your edits today and see you in the next one.
Save your time and elevate videos to impress your clients. Don't wait. Get all access at AEJuice.com and start editing like a pro.